Today we'll show you how to add email in your Roblox account. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Okay, first you can click in here add mail and you can put your mail. Okay, first. But if you don't have this, just go to here and go to settings and go to account info and wait a few seconds, and here you can put add email. Did you see? We don't have email. Just click add, and here we will click and go now to Google and open your Gmail or your Yahoo or what you have, like iCloud, what you have. Just go to icon and click here and copy here and back, and click and now Control V. Okay, here and here. Okay, and now click to add a mail. Okay, but I don't have to be a notification in our mail. To add mail and wait. Oh, now it's now for verification. Okay, he is now pending. Just now go to Google too and click here to Roblox email. Go and verify your mail. Click and wait to verify it. Okay, now its mail have been verified. Just now go to Roblox and get out and get back, and I think it's so good, it's verified. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching, guys.